In this video, I'll be showing you how ThinkMedia has helped to improve my audio level, and also if you stick around to the end, I'll be telling you how a famous YouTuber called Potato Jet has been able to reshape how I think in order to make a wise decision whenever I need to invest in a gear. So back to what I was saying on how ThinkMedia has helped improve my audio level. But before I tell you that, let me take you on a journey, not that journey, but a journey on how I was able to purchase this particular gadget I'm about to unbox. I actually purchased this gadget from wixphotovideo.com, and they are so reliable. 80% of all my gadgets has been purchased from them. They also have specialists who are dedicated solely to tell you what gadget you need to buy. This video is not sponsored by anyone, but since I've been using them for a long time, I decided to tell you that. And lastly, a secret, they also have payment plans, so you don't really have to bother yourself on when to pay and how to pay. But first of all, guys, you know what to do. Let's unbox this item together. This is the Rodecaster Pro 2, currently sold on the market for £699, while the XLR cable is sold at £21.99. And let's not forget this mic is a beast. This is sold on the market for £95. That's so affordable, but it is so great. We're gonna find out about this. I'm so excited. I've been hearing about this mic, and when we unbox these items, okay, we're gonna have a review on how it sounds just out from the box. But one more item is the mic stand, which is sold at £45 on the market currently. Let's unbox this item, guys. So what's written here is welcome to next level audio. We're gonna find out, okay? Let's unbox this, okay? I know you have been waiting for this. Let's unbox this. So this is the Rode podmic. It feels good, well built, a bit heavy, but let's find out if it's gonna do the job. And lastly, the mic stand. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to set it up, okay? This is the first time I'm doing this. I hope I can. I think this goes here. Yep. And this, I think, goes in here. So just looking at this Rode mic, I could see they have 4 ports for the external mic, and they have 4 ports as well if you decide to use a headphone, and you have an SD card. You could connect this to a LAN cable, plug in this to the back. Now I'm going to connect this to the switch. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to dim the light so you can see all the features of this Rode mic as it comes on. All the lights are dimmed, let's start doing the setup of this Rodecaster Pro 2. I'm so excited. So the first thing I did was to switch it on from the red button, and it's actually loading. This would take a couple of minutes, and as you can see, all the lights are just popping, like the lights are popping. And the first thing you can see is welcome to Rodecaster Pro 2. The next thing I'm going to do is click on this arrow, and it says get updated. Click on this. How do you want to update? Through Wi-Fi? Yes, I'm going to put Wi-Fi. Please join a network. Join a network. Select a network. I'm going to click on mine, and I'm going to speed up the process. So now, after putting the passwords, you click on done. Trying to connect. Give that a time. Verifying and acquiring IP address. I don't know why it's taking this long. I hope I put the right, connected. So that's it. And then it's downloading, okay? Which is actually fast. This is on 20%. But one thing I love about this is just the colors. Like, it has different colors. So in the dark, you can get a vibe, you know what I mean? This is not only for YouTube video, okay? Maybe a podcast will be coming up soon. I don't know, but stick around, okay? Stick around. But just looking at this, I'm loving this, okay? I haven't tried it yet. We'll wait to try it. It's loading, it's downloading. Let's see, okay? I don't know anything about audio, okay? And when it comes to audio is different from video. Like, I think audio is just a different school on its own. It's like, if you need a good audio, then just get a specialist to like do it for you and save you the whole hustle. But for myself, I love to try out things, okay? So if you have the time like me and you like experience, then why not, okay? It's still loading, almost done, so we're gonna wait for a while. And maybe while we're waiting, we should do some B-rolls, huh? So the next thing is, after loading, you just click on this button to go, select English, and the dates. You can put any date, but I'm just going to skip that. Click on next, and Wi-Fi again. Connect your Wi-Fi. Selecting network the second time. You're searching for the network, and you're going to put the password again. So after putting the password the second time, then it tells you to update the firmware. You can't skip that. So firmware, how do you want to analyze it? Do you want to click on usage, statistic, or resources? I'm just going to click on the 2. I have no idea about that. And do I want default setting or wizard import show? I think I'm just going to go for the setup wizard. I think so. Click on it. It takes me back. So I'm going to go back and maybe choose the default setting, okay? Like I said the first time. So the default setting, you're going to write a name, which I'm not going to write a name. It's fine. You'll click on next. And then it shows you which particular mic you have. That is just crazy. So on the list, you have different kinds of Rode mic, and also you have options for selecting any other mic which is not Rode. So I have the Rode podcast mic here. I'm going to look for that, which is this one. Click on it, click on next. Pick any icon. Maybe I use this football. Okay, next. Select another icon again. TV, next. Code and default show ready. Select. So this is the interface. As you can see, we have 4 ports, which also represent the 4 ports at the back, and you have the Bluetooth, so that means you could connect this via Bluetooth. That is just amazing. And another one is you could also connect through an external cable here. And what else am I seeing? Also, you can connect through a phone. So let's say you are doing a podcast, which this is not about podcast yet. Okay, you can also connect through your phone, and then you could speak to someone via this. So this is just a sound studio on its own. Like, guys, this is great. Another thing I love about this, like I can see, is you have the record button here and some nice beautiful colors, which you can increase the audio level when you are using your headsets. I think I have a headset here. Okay, so just to let you know, you actually need to get the bigger mouth of this. I don't know what this is called, but this is like a normal one which you could plug to your phone. Why this is the, I think is the 5 ml or something. This one you could just plug it there and connect it to this. So let's keep this aside. Another crazy feature about this Rodecaster Pro 2, it's you could also have an SD card connected to at the back, which I'm going to show you very soon, and you could plug this cable to your laptop or plug a cable to your camera, and you have 2 interface of audio. So this is like going to be, let's say the SD card is going to be like a backup, while the other interface will just be running directly to your camera. And before I forget, the title of the video from Think Media that helped me purchase this particular device that I've been talking about is titled, which I'm going to leave their link in the description below, is titled The Ultimate Podcast Setup. I'm not going to convince you, but I'm very sure you're going to fall in love with this particular device. There are other affordable setup, okay, but if I can afford it, why not? And that is going to be the second conversation very soon. I'm going to talk about of why and how Potato Jet, a YouTuber, changed my mindset when it comes to investments on yourself or on your channel. But first of all, let's try this. So plug this SD card here. So this is plugged in now. Just plug the SD card, and according to what I've seen, it's meant to detect itself. Yeah, so that's it. So it's a new SD card which you have to format. So click on format. I'm sure, yes, I want to erase everything. So it has formatted, and when it formats, it's going to show you the SD card symbol on the screen, just to tell you that that's actually formatted and that SD card is properly working with this device. So on the screen here, you can see 12 hours. Like, that means you can record for 12 hours, which I doubt if anybody actually records for 12 hours. Nah, I don't think so. Let's give this a try, okay? I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. Let's give this a try. So I'm going to be raising this bar to the neutral level, which is a line here. Make sure it's on the neutral. Like I said, I've never done this before. This is the first time I've done my research, so I'm just trying to wrap my head around it. And as I'm talking right now, you can see the level is actually indicating. So that means this mic is connected to the right channel, which is this first interface I'm using. So the next thing I'm going to do is to press record, and then we would hear the audio level of this pod mic, and tell me, guys, if it is worth it. So let's give it a try. Woo, it's hot in here, man. It's hot. I'm scared, but let's do this. All right, record. Now, when it's recording, you can see that the recording button is also showed, which is actually good. So testing the mic, 1, 2, check. Sounds good. sounds good. So currently using the Rode podcast mic with the Rodecaster Pro 2. So finally guys, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to tell you what Potato Jet said, and also I'm going to tell you the title of the video so you can go there, check it out. The title is Microphone, here's what you need to know. And what Potato Jet said is, when it comes to audio and when you can afford it, just go all in, which is actually true. And I asked the question for a couple of other YouTubers and they said the same thing. So back to what I was saying, when you can afford a good audio gadget, definitely go for it, because when it comes to camera, there's always maybe a camera every 6 months, every 1 year or something. But when it comes to audio and you find that desirable audio, maybe it's going to take you 5 years or 10 years before you could upgrade again. I don't think there will be anything that will make me upgrade, because this gadget is actually worth every pound. Okay, 699. This is 699 pounds, guys. Like, it could do everything. I could use it for YouTube, I could use it for podcasts, I could use it for anything. So I don't see myself actually buying any particular gadget when it comes to audio for the next maybe 3 years or 4 years. Okay, but when it comes to lighting and camera, definitely, there's always something coming in. So guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you are going to purchase this particular gadget. If not, like I said, watch that video on Think Media, check them out. You're going to see other affordable ways you could be able to sync your audio and make your audio levels sound crisp. But remember, I'm not touching anything, I did not do any tweak, but this is the audio coming from, once again, the Rodecaster Pro 2. Guys, I see you in the next video. Bye.